Unleash the power of AI storytelling to reshape narratives and explore new worlds. We're cracking into Retell AI today, revealing the secrets of crafting potent prompts that breathe new life into classic tales. This tutorial is your launchpad into becoming a prompt engineering expert. Start by choosing your story. Let's reimagine Little Red Riding Hood and put your story idea into Retell AI. Step 2. Prompt engineering is where the magic happens. Be explicit, detailing what you want. Start with retell the story of Little Red Riding Hood. Include main characters and a brief outline. Now, add artistic direction in the style of a cyberpunk thriller, or rewrite with a futuristic twist. Specify genre, tone, set, or a different viewpoint. Aim to be funny, mysterious, or anything you like. Step 3. Experiment and iterate. Run that prompt and witness what Retell AI creates. Don't hesitate to tweak your prompts, alter specifics, introduce new characters, revise the ending. Refinement leads to brilliant results. And there you have it. With these steps, you're set to generate incredible story variations using AI. So go create, explore, and unlock the amazing creative potential of AI.